What's up, all my fabs and besties? I'm Sophie Darby, ready to vlog about my life. Because, let's be honest, I know you all love hearing more about me. You're awesome. I love you. Where was I? Oh yeah, Roblox update. I'm still looking for the eggs in Royal High. Haven't found them all yet.
Ooh, Sophie, what you doing?
Jade, I'm recording a video. How did you get in here anyway?
The sliding glass door was open in your backyard. Ooh, can I be in your video?
Actually...
Thanks! Ah!
What's up?
I'm Jade Lopez, and I'm taking over Sophie's vlog. Shh, she doesn't know.
I can hear you, Jade.
Today, I am gonna share with you my familia, my family. So let me introduce you to them. Come on, come with me. First, this is my room. I love everything cute. Like this Care Bear. Don't you just want to squeeze it to pieces?
Jade, are you home?
That's my mom. Let's go say hi.
I am going to use the Barbie news reporter for Jade's mom. They have a similar face sculpt, so I can totally believe that they are related. But mom's gonna need a little more articulation than the basic 5. Our Barbie Dreamhouse Adventures Daisy has volunteered for the swap. Her made-to-move body wasn't an exact match, so we'll find her a new one later. Originally, this was the Barbie Dancer made-to-move body, and it might be a good match for the Barbie news reporter. Everyone, say it with me. Off with their heads! Whoa, it's not that far off. There is a little difference in the skin tone, but I can totally live with this. And this outfit looks great on her. It's a great option for a casual look. But since this was the Barbie news reporter, we're gonna keep her as the news reporter. Josephine Lopez reporting live from the Dollyverse.
Isn't my mom great?
For Jade's dad, we are going to use the Barbie soccer player. But we've got to do something about that articulation. Hello, Fresh Squad. This is Daniel from the Fresh Dolls. They created a few guys known as the Fresh Squad. I ordered him online from their website because he has 13 points of articulation. Finding articulated male dolls in different skin tones can be a challenge. Oh, I'm not sure if these two are going to be a perfect match. Well, there's only one way to find out. It's not a perfect match, but I think it is definitely worth the swap. He has an increased range of motion at the neck. He can move at the shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, knee, and ankle. And he can still fit his soccer uniform. But I'm just gonna keep him in long sleeve shirts, like this red plaid kin shirt, to distract the eye. Since Jade and Josephine start with J's, let's name him John.
We are one of those adorable little families where everybody has the same initials. Did you know I have 2 younger sisters?
The first one is from Barbie Dreamtopia. When I saw this Barbie Dreamtopia mermaid, I was like, love her! At just $7.94, we get a Barbie with a cool hair color. And she looks like the perfect match for the made-to-move Barbie soccer player. It's an absolute perfect match. And I really like this lavender pink hair. Let's name her Jenna. Usually in our Dollyverse, our sisters are complete opposites, like Carmen and Sky. But we're gonna give Jenna and Jade similar personalities.
I think puppies are the cutest. I think bunnies are the cutest. What if there is a such thing as puppy bunnies? Yeah, too cute!
Oh no, there's 2 of them? This makes finding an outfit for Jenna pretty simple. All she has to do is look through Jade's closet, and these 2 sisters have the perfect look. We're gonna say that Jenna is a year younger than Jade. There's a younger sister who's in middle school. This is one of our Chelsea Snapstar customs, where we placed a Chelsea head on a Snapstar body to create a middle school age Chelsea. Check it out in our How to Make Fully Articulated Chelsea Doll video. Right now, this Chelsea doll is wearing her PJs, so let's find her a new outfit. I like these Snapstar shorts, so let's use those. We can pair it with this Chelsea dress. For a casual look, Stacy has a nice jacket, adding that finishing touch to our outfit.
I would like to introduce you to my littlest sister, Joy.
We're gonna make Joy super smart. I'm talking a STEM genius.
My favorite pie is 3.14.
The last member to Jade's family is her adorable baby brother. From Barbie Skipper Babysitters Inc., meet Baby Jeremy. Wearing a yellow diaper, he has 4 points of articulation, movement at the hips and at the shoulder. And over time, we will watch him grow from a baby to a toddler.
But for now, he's the cutest little chubby cheeks. Jenna and I are always babysitting because you're just so cute. And that is my one big happy family. Oops, sorry. And that is my one big happy family. My mom's a news reporter. My dad's a professional soccer player. My younger sister is practically my twin. My little sister's a genius. And my baby brother's a baby. Okay, well, that's it for now. Bye!
To give a shout out to Juliana the gymnast. What's up? Jade, okay, bye? You can't end a vlog like that.
Well, what was I supposed to say? See you later, alligator.
No.
How about this? You ain't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.
No, that's worse.
Mic drop.
Just stop. You gotta say something like, thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And that's how it's done.
But you said not to say bye. You said bye.
Well, I didn't just say bye. I said a whole bunch of other stuff. Then I said bye.
Nope. If we're gonna do this, we're gonna do it right. Take 2. Jade!
Down and get out.